I just wanted to make a little salad video here of a salad I've been making and really enjoying. So first you just start chopping some peppers and then put those in a Tupperware, and this is a good meal prep step. It's when you chop something, chop the whole thing up and then put the rest in a Tupperware, and you can just grab it for whatever you're cooking. You might cook a omelet or something the next day and you have onion and pepper ready to go. It's the same thing with the onion. Just chop the whole onion and put the leftover in a Tupperware. Next, I like to chop my spinach. Just gives the salad a better consistency because the bites are all equal when you do that. And have a big ass bowl because that is crucial for salads. So throw your spinach in there, throw a little onion, that gives it a little kick, a little spice. Throw some pepper in there, that gives it some sweetness and also some texture. It's really nice. And then chopped up a carrot here. So some fresh carrot, just give that a good chop to the size that you want it. Throw her in the bowl, and that gives it a nice little crunchy element too. I chose chicken as my meat. I had some grilled chicken, and I just grill a bunch of chicken when I make it, so then this is from the fridge and I just can throw it in as a protein in my salad. And I threw some broccoli and cauliflower in there that I already had meal prepped. I forgot to take a video of it. And I'm throwing some sunflower seeds in there. Nice little top off. And here's some blue cheese. That gives it a real nice dimension. If you don't like blue cheese, you got to get on that bandwagon because that stuff is amazing. And then the dressing I used was vinaigrette, and this particular dressing is really healthy. There's no added stuff. It's basically just olive oil and vinegar and some pepper and stuff. And then yeah, just give that a whirl. You can put other stuff in it too. A lot of times I cut up pickles or cut up olives, which is really delicious, but super easy to make. You can meal prep for these, so it takes no time, and freaking delicious full meal. So definitely, if salad's not in your repertoire, you want to get that in there because it is freaking amazing and easy and super healthy. And yeah, hope this was helpful. Let me know if you like this video. Thanks for watching.